There is a checkbox in our database settings that I said I would cover at another point, and that time is now. And the checkbox we're talking about is about filtering results or allowing unfiltered results. So here I am in our database one. We're going to edit, and if we go to our permission to search this database, we will see this item here. Allow an unfiltered search on this database. We can see that is not checked right now. Also, we're going to go back to this and we're going to have a look at our search, and we'll look at our database settings, and we'll look at our search item. And here we can see allow an unfiltered search on our database. Right, so what I'm going to do is change this field from required to not required, and then we're going to go back to our search, and we'll see that name no longer is required. So if we try and do a search on here now, because unfiltered is not allowed, we're getting a database error. So let's just change this on our, this is our search, and we'll change this over here. Let's edit settings, and we'll click allow an unfiltered search, save. Let's try that again. And again we get an error. That is because if we look here, it said must also be set to be permitted on the source database. So our source database is one address book. So let's go and have a look at that. One. Permission to search this database. And we see that this does not allow an unfiltered search. So I'm going to allow a filtered search now. Okay. And refresh, and we'll click submit. So we get an unfiltered search. Why is it important to restrict that? Well, if you've got a database with thousands of items and you allow that to happen, then you're probably going to get performance issues. So it can be quite important not to allow anything which is unfiltered. And right now that is what I'm going to change back, and that will be the default. So we will see that we will not allow unfiltered searches going forward.